If you're considering HiBob for your business, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. It's one of the most popular HR software platforms out there, but it's not for everyone. I'm going to break down 7 key things you should consider before buying HiBob, so make sure you stick around until the end to get the full picture, and also I'll show you how to get a free trial and some exclusive benefits. First off, HiBob is designed to help you manage your employees in a more modern, intuitive way than a lot of its competitors. While traditional HR systems might feel like they're stuck in the past, HiBob offers a cloud-based solution with a sleek, easy-to-use interface. Whether you're managing payroll, benefits, or performance, everything is streamlined into a single, accessible platform. But how does it stack up against others? Well, it's worth noting that some software, like Bamboo HR or Gusto, may offer simpler features for smaller companies. HiBob, however, is tailored more for mid-sized businesses that need a comprehensive, scalable solution. Next thing you should know is that HiBob is all about customization. You can tailor the platform to suit your specific business needs. This means everything from adjusting employee benefits to defining the way data is collected for reporting. Unlike more rigid HR systems, HiBob lets you make changes without needing a developer, which gives businesses a lot more flexibility. But there's a catch. The customization options can get overwhelming if you don't have a dedicated HR team to implement and manage these changes. The third thing is HiBob's integration capabilities. It plays really well with other software you might already be using, whether it's finance tools like QuickBooks or productivity apps like Slack and Microsoft Teams. Many competitors require you to use a specific ecosystem of apps, but HiBob lets you integrate with third-party tools seamlessly. This is a huge plus for businesses that have already built their tech stack and don't want to disrupt it. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the pricing structure. HiBob's pricing is on the higher end compared to alternatives like Gusto or Zoho People. While these might offer lower starting prices for small businesses, HiBob's robust feature set is really geared toward companies that need something more powerful with the scalability to grow as your business expands. But depending on the size of your team and your specific needs, it might feel like an investment worth making. Make sure to evaluate whether you need all the advanced features HiBob offers before committing. Moving on, HiBob stands out with its global capabilities. If your company operates internationally or has remote employees in different countries, HiBob can handle multi-country payroll and compliance without breaking a sweat. It's a great solution for companies with diverse teams across borders. This gives it an edge over platforms like Bamboo HR, which, while great, doesn't provide as much international flexibility. The sixth thing you need to consider is HiBob's employee engagement tools. It's not just about managing your team, it's about improving the employee experience too. With HiBob, you can gather feedback, track employee sentiment, and monitor engagement, which is something you won't always find in basic HR platforms. The downside here is that it requires your employees to actively use the platform, so it's not always a seamless experience for teams who aren't fully on board with using new software. Finally, let's talk about support. HiBob offers excellent customer service, but it's important to know that you might need to rely on them more than you'd like, especially during the onboarding process. Setting up the platform, configuring your HR processes, and integrating with your existing tools can be time-consuming. However, once everything is set up, HiBob's support team is there when you need them, and their resources, including tutorials and documentation, can help speed things up. If you're still unsure whether HiBob is the right choice for you, remember that you can try the software for free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits, so you can test out everything I've mentioned for yourself before committing. To wrap things up, HiBob is a powerful, customizable HR solution that's perfect for mid-sized companies and growing teams. But it's not the cheapest option out there, and you need to be sure you're ready for the level of customization and features it offers. If you want to take it for a spin and see how it fits your business, make sure to click the link below for your exclusive trial.